So now in this lab we can see how to install the vCenter Server 5.0. To install the vCenter Server, you should have a PC with an operating system, Windows Server 2008 Enterprise with a Part 2 release and 64-bit. See right now I have the Windows Server 2008 Part 2 with 64-bit. So the Windows Server 2008 Part 2. So this have the Windows Server 2008 R2 Enterprise Enterprise and my operating system is 64-bit architecture, and this PC has a how much RAM is 4 GB RAM recommended to install the vCenter server. So I have the vCenter server DVD is there in my computer. So this is the Z drive. So I have the vCenter server software. So just open the vCenter server folder. So there you got some file name is auto run file. Just click on the auto run file. So just click on run. So now to install the vCenter server, just click on the vCenter server and say click install. So the language selection, so English. So click next, next, accept the license agreement. So the organization name, so I'm providing GAYATRI computers. So this is a 60 days evaluation copy, so that's why I don't require any license key. So just go for next. See, actually the vCenter server it requires database services also. So I'm installing a Microsoft SQL Server 2008 Express instance. So this basically up to 50 VMs it supports. If we require more than 50 VMs, Express installation is not sufficient. We had to go for the complete installation of the SQL Server. And in the real-time production environment, we can go for the separate SQL database server will be there. So we can connect to your SQL database server by using this option. So the system account is administrator and the default password and the fully qualified domain name in vCenter server. But in this case, I didn't configure your DNS server, so it may be give you some error message. Even though no problem, we can continue that. So go for next. So create a standalone VMware vCenter server instance and join user. This is called like a linked mode. Uh, if you require the more than one vCenter server, we can able to go for the join mode or you can say linked mode. But right now I'm installing my first vCenter server. So just go for the create a standalone VMware vCenter server instance. Go for next. See, these are the port numbers used by our vCenter server. When you go for the VCP exam point W and the VCP exam point W, they'll ask about the most thing is the port numbers. So remember all these port numbers. The service management port number and the linked made communication port numbers. So I'm using for the small up to 1000 host or you can say for 100 host or 1000 virtual machines only. So my base center server should have the minimum RAM is recommended is up to 1024 up to 1 GB. But anyhow, my vCenter server having the 4 GB of RAM is there, so that's why it's continue. So click to install. So it will take a lot of time because to install the SQL server. So I'm passing this video after completion of the SQL server installation, then it will start the your vCenter installation. So now it's installing your SQL server. So installation of the SQL server is over. Now it's going to install in the your VMware vCenter server. Now your vCenter server installation is completed successfully. So just click on finish.